at Bitcoin. Yeah, I think some months ago or maybe weeks ago, I think I've been showing this particular chart. It was not on this particular. I think it was. So let's look at the bigger picture first. At Bitstamp has the highest history. So now you can be able to see the trend well here. So, good. So I was talking about how the previous circle it was giving a higher high here, and the same thing is happening here on this circle. You can see also a higher high. So this is history repeating itself. Yeah, when it comes to chart, it's just pattern recognition at all levels. So now you can see here, you see how it pull back here before it did drop right here. Now that's equivalent of here too. That's equivalent of here. So you see how the same thing repeats again. So if I am correct and it continues, if I'm correct and it continues, then that means you should be expecting Bitcoin, to. So let's use that same logic. Let's see how much retracement did we have. It came to this 78 FIB level. So if we use that same logic now, let's use, because sometimes some people, when you say, oh, there's a possibility for it to go down, they are emotional about it. Meanwhile, they're not supposed to be emotional about it. So if we use that logic now on this 78 FIB level, you can see that's 39k. 39k. And let's say it slides down a little bit to this last FIB. So we talk about 28k. Here you can see. So those are the possibility, but this is more likely to happen. So if that's the case, the expectation will actually happen. So you see, coming here, just the same way it sold here. You get. Now there is even a bigger head and shoulder pattern here, right here. So because we have to look at the big picture totally. So if that's the case, yes, there is. On the other hand, there is a risk of it to want to come here. That's 90k. That's the best, for now it could do before this. So if it goes up, that is what is possible. Going up to 90k doesn't necessarily confirm, because for us to know that, oh, the bulls are in charge, then let me delete this for now. Then we have to be thinking of here, because this is the next change of character on a weekly. That's 97k. As long as price is below 97k, you shouldn't be celebrating that, oh, we are going up. But of course, yeah, from here to 97k, that's a lot of move. True. But it's step by step. Step by step. So this is the bigger picture now. This is the bigger picture. This is just the bigger picture for now. So I have to stop the recording here so I don't make it